This is Braggin's Adventures.
Hey everybody, Andrew here with another Braggin's Adventures quick stop, and today we're going to visit the old spaghetti factory in Newport Beach. I do want to preface this video by saying we were there on a marathon weekend, so it was a bit crowded. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. Also, find us over on social media. In addition to YouTube, we are on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, every meal, if you do their complete meal, starts with bread, bottomless bread, and it's amazing. The bread is definitely the winner of the meal. I think we went through 3 baskets at our table for 4 people. Really yummy bread, and I'm going to tell you right now, it holds up to be microwaved the next day. You also have a choice between minestrone soup or salad. Alyssa went with minestrone soup, and she said it was pretty tasty. Now, this complete meal, we ended up doing the spaghetti with the meat sauce. So it comes out to $19.25 for the complete meal, and that includes all the trimmings I'm showing you. The unlimited bread, Alyssa's minestrone soup, or in a moment you're going to get to see my salad, your mains, and then dessert, which I'll talk about in a moment. So I went for the salad. You know what? Honestly, it left a lot to be desired. It kind of tastes like Ready Pack salad that they add croutons to. It tasted old, and I feel like Ready Pack salads usually taste old. They never last all the way to their Best By date. Just I don't know. And again, we were there on a super crowded weekend, so I'm willing to give them a slide on it. Maybe they did use Ready Pack salads for this weekend just to get through the crowds. I'd be willing to try it again though. All right, so spaghetti with meat sauce. The marinara sauce is a much cheaper meal, but I wanted to try their meat sauce. I wasn't the biggest fan of it. It tasted more like a Cincinnati chili to me, which is fine, but that's not what I ordered. It was partway between like a tomato sauce and a bolognese. It either needed more tomato or more red wine to find its own. Aaron did say that it might be due to the weekend they weren't making it the best, but that's for another time. All right, we got a couple of cocktails at the table. I went with the Paper Plane, which was $9.95. Guys, that's not bad for a cocktail. This was a bourbon-based drink, and it was absolutely delicious. The kids went with a blackberry pomegranate Long Island iced tea. That's a mouthful. Their drink came in at $10.50, which again, I don't think is bad for a cocktail when you're at a restaurant like this. Overall, I think you're paying for the vibe here. It's great customer service. They were apologetic for the crowds and the busyness. You know what? It's not their fault. We went on May the 4th, first of all, and it was a marathon weekend in the OC. The venue is definitely an awesome place to hang out. It was kind of a long service because of the crowds, but it moved quickly. It's a super nice place to go. I highly recommend you check out the old spaghetti factory in Newport Beach. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next Braggin's Adventures Quick Stop.